So why is it important to develop systems and processes and improve them all the time? It's because of competition. Lawyers and the whole legal industry faces a lot of different competition today. People are demanding more speed, less cost, and more ease of use with all of the businesses they deal with. And we're not going to be an exception. So in order for us to be more efficient, more consistent in our delivery, and to make life less costly when it comes to legal services, we can develop systems and processes which will enable us to do that. An example of systems and processes that I talked about today was my initial meeting client checklist. So when I meet with a client, I want to devote all my time and energy to dealing with the client, to understanding goals and setting goals and identifying issues and problems which may prevent us from achieving those goals, and designing a strategy to achieve what the client needs. By having a checklist, I can devote myself to the client, focus entirely on that, and yet still cover all the rather more mundane items that need to be addressed with an initial client meeting. The checklist frees me to be thinking and be creative. I think where we're headed when it comes to automation in the legal field is going to vary from the type of practice that lawyers have. But I think for what I do, for bankruptcy work, a lot of it is information driven. It's an intensive information gathering exercise, and there's really no reason that the client shouldn't be able to gather most of that information. There will still be an ethical requirement and a legal requirement for a lawyer to verify that accuracy with some degree of reasonable diligence. But I can foresee that in the very near distant future, that we'll be giving away software to people so that they can complete the forms, they can provide the information, and we will focus much more on the counseling aspect. We will focus much more on the strategic aspects. Here's your information, here are your goals. What is going to be the best form of bankruptcy? What are the best terms of a reorganization going to be for you or your business to succeed when facing these financial difficulties? So I'm more than willing to be giving away the software. I'm willing to be giving away a lot of information. In fact, when I started practicing, lawyers sold information. Nobody had easy access to cases or digests. You had to go to the state law library to find these things. Today, that's all readily available on the internet to anybody who wants it. So why not give it away and instead focus on the things that actually most good lawyers want to be doing anyhow, which is the counseling and the creative aspects of it.